have a tendency to destroy what I've made because I just end up not being 100% happy with it. So what I'm gonna do right now is try to turn this into a swipe. I hope I don't ruin it completely because it's not that bad right now. I'm just not 100% with it, so I'm still torn on what I should do, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so here goes. I'm gonna take this paper towel. I'm gonna swipe it from, I think this way down. Oh, do I do it? I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm gonna swipe it. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go back the other way. If I can just, I'm gonna start with a new fresh piece of paper towel actually. See, I kind of like it better already. I see all these cells popping up. It just looks better with less paint, I think, and yeah, you know what? It's just more clean, I think. And just do this little sliver right here. Put gloves on again, so now I'm so covered again in paint. That's okay. All right, spread that a little bit. See how the cells are popping up now? Yeah, this looks cool. So, I mean, the other one was nice, but oh, new creation, right? And then as the cells will keep coming alive, I see they're still kind of growing up a little bit here. And the pink is kind of popping through over here a little bit. It turned more to like an auburn, but it kind of looks nice with the greens. And even these are like darkening in here as I speak. This looks nice. So I'll give it a minute and I'll come back and I'll do some close-ups. But I think it was a good move. I think the other one, I don't know, I just wasn't crazy bad. Okay, so it's starting to come alive a little bit more. I had a bright light on before, so I noticed it was looking too blown out, the whites, but here we can turn the light. I turned the light off, so it should be a little bit better for you to see. But yeah, the cells are coming to life. It's a little more simplistic and just cleaner looking. Now it has more of like a nature vibe, I feel like. Mossy, riverside or jungle-ish type feel to it. But yeah, I think I'm happy with it. I will miss the other painting, but it had a short life and now it's gone. But I'll show you guys the finished piece when I'm done putting a varnish on, and when it's completely finished, I'm sure it's gonna be nice and shiny and beautiful. All right, sorry about that little switcheroony on you, but okay, so I thank you guys for watching. I pray you have a great rest of the week and you do something enjoyable for yourself and for others. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Please subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to post more videos and trying new things and then messing up and putting it on camera so you guys can see that we're all not perfect, and this art form is actually really fun because it's fun to experiment and then try something new and then start over. And sometimes you have like just beautiful, happy mistakes that happen. So that's the beauty of this art form. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I did this painting about 2 weeks ago, so style painting called acrylic pour painting. There's all different kind of techniques you could do, but this is one I did a little while ago, and I just need to now some resin varnish on it. So basically like seal it so it becomes nice and shiny, and once I do that, the colors will really pop in on. So I use this resin mixture with the hardener. So I'm about to do that, and then when it's finished, it dries in about 24 hours. It gives it like a nice gloss, like shine, like a nice hard sealing varnish. So it protects it and the colors won't fade, and it just kind of makes the colors just come alive. So right now it's like, I'll do a close-up later, but it's really soft and like subtle. This is called a swipe painting. This is kind of technique for acrylic pour painting. It actually didn't start out like this at all. Like I kind of did another kind of style of painting and I completely messed it up. So this is a nice close-up. It came out really beautiful. I love the lime greens mixed with the metallic blues and the pops of the magenta. So then I turned it into a swipe, and I actually really like this one better. So we can kind of see, it's kind of cool, like these popping cells that you see. But anyway, so now I'm going to mix up these two lovely magic makers into this measuring cup for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna pour it on top, spread it out nice and even, and then it'll look shiny and popping right away, but it takes about 24 hours to dry. So maybe tomorrow I'll show you the finished piece. All right, so I will be right back. All right, I'm done. I poured the resin on the painting, and I just need to let it dry for about 24 hours. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you all tomorrow and show you the final finished piece. I hope you guys all have a great night, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.